look like an Eskimo. It's 15 degrees out. It is freezing. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I am home. Thank goodness. I'm gonna make me some coffee though, but you see my pink robe? Let me show you my pink robe. This is for the YouTuber that wanted to see my pink robe because I wore my other crazy one the other day. This is it. You got it. You wanted to see it. I'm going to make myself some coffee now. But the best part is I received my FabFitFun box, so I'm going to be sharing that with you guys as soon as I'm done here. Be right back. And it's time for my FabFitFun box unboxing, accompanied by Christmas Mickey and Christmas Minnie. Well, no, yeah, no. Is this Minnie? No, sorry, two Mickeys. These are my grandsons, and they're both Mickey Mouse, both Christmas. All right, so let's open this box and see what they sent me this month. I'm so excited. I love receiving these boxes, and I'll link down any information at the bottom if you guys are interested, because there's usually promo codes for first subscribers, which gives you like maybe 10% off or something like that, 10 or 15% off. So this is it. Oh, I'm opening it upside down. No bueno. All right. Okay, so we first have their magazine, and I love their magazine because inside it tells you all the prices of the items that you've received, and they always usually send you a, what is this? This is a coupon for dinner time, $60 gift card for dinner time. They always send you that. Not usually, they always do. And they send you a whole bunch of little doodads, little pamphlets and stuff like that with codes on them. Okay, so here we go. Oh boy. Okay, where do I start? Elevate 2 essential oils. They sent me essential oils. It looks like, the box looks like that. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I love oils. I don't know if I told you guys that, but I burn oil in my house, and I love putting oils on. Now, I don't know if I can put these on my body, but if these are essential oils, this is sweet orange. Now, this will be for burning. Sweet orange is one, and the other is eucalyptus. Oh, I need that. That's like a stress reliever. God knows I need that. That's great. Okay, so 2 oils, and I'll use that in my diffusers. I have a diffuser in my bedroom, and I'll use it for there. Okay, the next item is, this is from Ahava, Hydrating Dream Mask. Ooh, can't wait to try that. That looks fun, and they're all closed up. Let's see if I can open this baby up. Nope, can't open it up. Well, I have some handy dandy scissors here. Let's see. Nope, can't open it up. I'm telling you, they wrap these things up sometimes for life, but it's a good thing. I'm not going to complain, because I know I shouldn't use my teeth, but I always wind up doing that. It's a horrible habit. I'm not going to complain that they wrap it up tightly, because nothing is ever spilled in these boxes. Smells like nothing. Oh, I just squirted a whole bunch. Smells like nothing. Tap it back in the tube. Can't wait to try that. Okay, and this is for, oh, this is just a hydrating mask. That's nice. Okay. The next item is, what is this? From Dr. Brandt. And this is a microdermabrasion. Shut the front door. I don't know if I told you people, but I usually, and I stopped doing it. I really need to do it now that it's winter. Maybe I'll start doing it again. Oh, this is, look at this packaging. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And I guess this is a microdermabrasion. Defined exfoliator. And for anti-age, this is nice. This packaging is really pretty. But yeah, I usually, and I stopped using it. I think that's why my skin is acting up again. It's a chemical peel. It's a legit chemical peel. Your face really, your skin really peels off with this. And I've showed this. I've showed that item in one of my other videos. I know I've showed you guys that before. But it, you know, it really helps to smooth out fine lines and just your face in general. So I need to start doing that again. But I'm going to check this dermabrasion out from Dr. Brandt. And these, I know for a fact that these are really expensive. Maybe I'll list all of the items in this box down below with their prices so you can kind of get an idea. Oh, what is this from Bear Paw? What is this? Is this a headband? I think I've seen this in someone else's video because I was nosy and I couldn't wait to get my box. So I wanted to get in. Oh, no, this is so nice. Oh, so it's the little, it's the little head wrap. Look at that. With the little fur inside. And then it attached, these are cute gifts too. And it's the gloves. But these are fingerless gloves, or you can flip them. Let me see. It's the fingerless gloves, but you can flip this top and turn them into mittens. That's so cute. I really like these. I don't know if I'm going to give these away. I'll keep them for myself. This is a really cute item from Bear Paw. I like this. That is really, I'm so happy already. All right, and the next item is from Thrive Causemetics. It says Causemetics, not cosmetics. And what is this? This is a, I don't know what this is. Let me see. The box looks like that. People, I need my damn glasses. I can't. I'm just so in a hurry to come and show you the things that I got. And I never bring my glasses because they're in my room. I need my spectacles. Oh, this is a highlighter. And it looks like that. Can you see? And I guess this is the color. Let me swatch. Oh, my goodness. Is this a highlighter? Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. That's it. You see? That's pretty. It's not over, you know, like some highlighters are just like a little too much. This is really nice. This is really nice. I like that. I've never heard of this company, Causemetics. All right. Eager to try that out. The next item is from Jade Roller. Don't know what this is, but I need to open this up because it's tightly sealed. Let's see. I know this must cost, oh my God, I need to look in the book, an arm and a leg. I just know that this is expensive. I know it is. Let me just show you guys. I need to go into this book because now I'm really curious. Look at that. And that's the roller for your face. Isn't that something? I'm not sure what it does. I have to read on it because I know they explain it, but isn't that pretty? Look at that. Looks like marble. And it just fell out. This is amazing. All right. I may give that away though, because let me see if I find this in this book. Now I'm really curious. Oh. Let me just see if I find the pic. Oh, see? So look. It doesn't have the price here though. This is the hat. I mean the little scarf thingy and the gloves. You see that? Let me see if I find the price on that. No. Where's the page with all the prices on it? I think there's just like one page with all the prices on it. I can't find it. Well, anyway. I'm just going to link it down below. Oh, here it is. But I can't see it. But you see how it shows you how to use? It's a jade roller. You see how it shows you how to use it? Amazing. All right. I'm going to check that out later and I'll link it down below. Okay, the next item, this is the second to last, I think. Yeah. This is a big box. What is this? This is Gold Last. Oh, dry shampoo. Gold Last dry shampoo. Awesome. I do use dry shampoo, in case you were wondering. I really do. I can show you the brands that I use, but I'm really eager to see what this, how this works and what it smells like, because the smell of dry shampoo to me is everything. It should smell like shampoo. Some of them really don't. This one, this smells like perfume. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, but this is a beautiful bottle. I just want to know how it works. Look at the size of this. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. And then the last item is, what is this? This is like a blankie. Is this a blankie? I think it is. And this is from Mark and Graham. It's a personalized gift. Oh, let's see. How can I open this? Or is this a scarf? All right, now I'm confused. Nope, this is a cute little blanket. Oh, I love this. This can go on my sofa. What color is this? This is like a grayish. And look at the little fringes at the end. This is really nice. Really nice. Oh, I'm so happy with my box. And I always look forward to these boxes because the quality of stuff that come in, and for 50 bucks, for $49.99, you can't beat that. I mean, this box here today is probably worth like maybe $200. I'm not even joking. I'm pretty sure it's worth about $200 because with this roller, that jade roller, with this alone, I'm sure this was pretty costly. And this microdermabrasion thingy here, I'm sure that was pretty costly. So I'll just check out the prices and link them down below, let you guys know. Anyway, so that is it for my FabFitFun box for the winter. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I incorporated that into my Vlogmas day. What is this, 10? I think it's 10. 9, 10, something like that. I don't know. You'll see it. And I am going to upload this video and retire for the night. And I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, take care. I just realized that there was one more item in my box, and it's from, I don't know how to pronounce that. Blaq. I have no idea. But they are iPads. Hydrating iPads. I can't wait to try these. Look at that. Just found them in this mess here. So, and it comes with 5 or 6 iPads, right? It comes with a whole bunch of iPads, a whole bunch of them. So I can't wait to try that. Yep, so I wanted to share that because I didn't see it until I started packing things away. All right, see you guys in the next one. Take care.